Hello, everyone. This is Danish again. Thank you very much for listening to me and watching me in my last video. Very excited to hear such a great response from few of my friends and family members asking me about questions, asking me questions about, okay, we want to invest, and I was able to convince few of you. So that's a very good sign, first of all, and thank you very much for believing in me and listening to me and my content. So most of you, not most of you, but there are few of you actually asked me how to invest, you know, and how much to invest. So those are the two next questions that I wanted to answer, and hopefully I will try my best to answer those questions to you. So basically, how to invest, you will need a brokerage account. So what are the some brokerage out there? I've been using TD Ameritrade for last 10 years. I started using Webull just few days ago. I created an account because one of my friends sent me a referral link, and I just created an account because it seemed like Webull has a very good app to use. So I created that account. I will put my link in the description for the referral as well that you can use. You'll get two free stocks, or probably four. I don't remember exactly, but I got only two. I wasn't that lucky enough. But I think if you use my referral, you'll get two, and I'll get somewhat as well. Anyways, so those are the brokerage account. Brokerage account will ask you some of the question regarding your birth date and all that. That's normal because you will be putting in your money in through your bank account, and all those money that you're going to put in, the gains or the losses that you will have on the yearly period, it will go towards your tax filing. So all these companies that I named, like especially TD Ameritrade, E Trade, Fidelity, even Chase and Bank of America, Webull, Robinhood, they are, I believe they all are approved from security. So you can use any of those. I will put my link for the Webull in the description that you can use. Okay. So what's next? How much money you want to put in? So it's based on your risk tolerance. What I would recommend is, I personally keep 5 to 6 months of savings in bank account. That give me a cushion of protection. The reason for that, it keeps me sane. It's very important. So if you keep that 5 to 6 months of cushion of protection in your bank account, you will not you'll not be emotional when the market or the stocks that you bought goes down. And they're companies that, regardless of what companies, they always go up and they go down. That's the way it moves. It's not all every day is gonna move up as significantly, and you're just gonna make money every day. So the plan is that to gain assets. It's not about gaining cash. Like I done that for the first 5 6 years that I was trying to get as much of cash as possible. I don't recommend that to do. The reason is you won't get enough cash. So just to put in perspective, had I not sold any of my stocks that I've been owned for last 10 years, I would have been filthy rich right now. But having said that, I'm not. The reason is because I made all those mistakes that I'm trying to tell you not to do. So don't chase cash. Chase asset. I will teach you what's the difference is in moving forward, what's the difference between asset and what's the difference between cash. Just to give a quick reference, when you buy stock or company, it's an asset. It's not cash. If you look up any millionaire or billionaires or multimillionaires or whoever that is rich around you, they don't have cash in their bank that's worth 5 billion or 5 million or 500,000. It's their assets that's worth that much. So you just watch, Elon Musk became the number one richest guy in the world. How? He does not have that much cash. He has asset, which is Tesla and some other companies that he has, plus his property and all that. He probably have maybe 1%, which is a lot of money again. Maybe if he does, I don't think he would have 1% also, because why would he want to have 1% cash if you are hundreds of billions of dollars owner? Because you know that market is going to go up regardless. Same goes for Jeff Bezos. Same goes for Bill Gates. I'm just giving those names so you understand. Everybody knows them. If you are in the investment, uh, market, you would know about them. Everybody knows them anyway, most of them. So the cash is only good for 5 6 months. That much cash you should have, and that is what the cash is good for. The rest it belongs to, even for your investment, whichever investment or the business that you have, it should belongs there. The most you should focus on to get 5 6 months of cash. That's the first thing. It keeps you sane. First thing, when the market goes down, because you have enough money that can survive 5 6 months, and market remain down for 5 6 7 months, sometimes a year. But then there, if you have a good company, it will go down for a few months and it's going to start going up, and in very soon. So you would not need that, yeah, cash anyway. And we will walk you through how you can take advantage of when the market goes down. That will be my few videos forward, but I'm trying to walk you guys through what are the steps that you take, small steps moving forward. Um, so having a channel protection is really very important. It's very very important. I would recommend, if you don't have 5 to 6%, 6 months of cash in your bank account sitting, and then you have invested, you want to focus on getting that much cash in your bank account as well, and you keep on investing. So I'm not saying not to invest any further, but you also have to set your goal. My goal for this year to get that much money in my bank account, so if anything goes wrong, I don't have to worry about selling my companies. So you probably have noticed that I'm keep on saying selling companies. I'm not saying selling stocks or buying stocks or I'm saying buying company. The reason behind it, that don't buy stocks, buy company. And when you buy company, you have to think about it if that company is good. So that's earlier that you invest, started to learn about good company, and you only invest in good company. It's a great habit. You only buy in a good company, and it will only make you money. If you hear about people on the YouTube, I'm making a YouTube video. The reason for this video is because I'm seeing a lot of hype about some fake companies out there. So I wanted to prevent my friends and family members that are doing this right now. Actually, that what motivated me to put in that video, and that's why I'm making a video just like that. So I'm just trying to save you. I'm trying to save you guys. It all depends on you. But in the same time, you want to invest in a good company. If you invest in a good company, like um, out there, I will name moving forward what are the companies. I don't want to tell you I don't want to give you the fish. I want to teach, I want to teach you how to fish. So that's what my plan is. You learn and then you get it, and then we walk you through how that you can evaluate a good company. If this company is a good company, and if it's selling cheap, that's when you buy it. You buy it, it's cheaper than what its value. So we'll walk you through about all those steps moving forward. But right now, what you have to focus on to get into those cash and get into that much money that you can, and that the based on your risk tolerance. So it's 100, $200,000. Invest whatever you can. If you are the first time investor, invest with a so small amount so you can get to learn about it. What are the steps to invest and how to figure out, and then trust me, it's never late. You will always be in a good way if you are spending money in the right company and investing money in the right company. It's always gonna come out good, and you're always gonna win. You 99% of the times you're gonna win, and the 1% you're gonna lose is because of your emotions. So if you don't let your emotions kill you, then you would not lose it. Trust me. Market will always go up. Keep that in mind. Market will continue to go up. Stock, if you buy a good company, it will recover. Regardless of the price that you buy, it will recover. So you will win and win as long as you buy a great company. As long as you don't get greedy, you will win. So, and okay, yeah, that's so as soon as you get in a good habit, buying a good companies with a cheaper price is better for you. And once you get into the habit, it's hard to break. So that's what I'm trying to push here to myself, not to get into those people who try to buy those companies that everyone is buying. Actually, I would love to sell those companies that everyone is buying, because the growth for those companies is gone now. They're not gonna multiply 3 4 5 times. They're only gonna do 10%, 20% in the next 4 or 5 years, or maybe 100% in 5 years. That's not the gain I'm looking for. you know Anyone can do that. If you just buy S&P, you just buy index, you can do the same thing. So what we are looking for is that to make good money out of the money that we have hardly earned in a hard way. So I want my money to grow for me, you know. Okay, so it's good that that's so we covered that. So let's say you're a the two other things that I want to talk about. If you are in a mid-age or if you're a student, how to invest. If you're a student, that's a good time for you to invest. Even if you're saving $50, $5, $100, whatever amount you're saving right now, you should be investing it slowly by slowly on monthly basis. You have $50 going into your trading account or whatever amount that you feel comfortable with that you can put in trading account. Again, forget about dollars. Think about assets. You are in 20 years old, 25, 30 years of your age. You have 30, 40 more years, coming for you. Yeah, all those investors out there, they would love to go to your age and do what I'm telling you to do. So trust me, had I been doing this, what I'm telling you to do, I would have been sitting in a very good position right now. I wouldn't probably, you wouldn't have to think about anyone. I would be probably filthy rich had I been doing what I've been doing for the last 5, 6 years. Had I been doing since I was 20, I would have been in such a great position right now that, you know, that's so if you were early 20, 30, that's great. Now, if you're 40, 50, that's not too late again. You can still make gains. Just be thankful to what you get. Be content. You won't make the market all the time, but you will make money, good money over the period of time. You will win. You will win, trust me, as long as you remain patient and calm. So in this video, I wanted to touch base on those two items, like how to invest, which is like, brokerage account, create a brokerage account. Again, link in the description. Second thing is that how much you should invest. Again, it depends on your risk tolerance. I keep 5 to 6 months savings, and that's what I recommend to my friends. I'm not a financial advisor, so if you really want to make to get to understand what should be your risk tolerance, discuss with your financial advisor. You probably can find someone for $100 or $200. They can tell you, walk you through about that. Anyways, thank you very much for watching my video. In the next video, I'll be talking further about how to look up other companies and all that sort of exciting stuff. So remain tuned, subscribe my channel, like this video, share with your friends who don't know how to invest, and I can guarantee you I'll give the best off out of me. So I'm looking forward for your likes and subscriptions and your comments below. Let me know what I missed. That will be very important. If I miss anything, I will take care of it in the next video. Thank you very much, guys, and you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.